Oh, stop. My jar has a leak. Oh my goodness. Why is there a hole in this jar? Oh, hello there. Today we'll be attempting to fix my 1986 Isuzu P'up. It has a broken carburetor. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we're here in the engine bay. This is the carburetor that is suspect. I'm suspicious of it because it has oil deposits on the outside of it. Here, let me show you. You can see it has oil deposits right here. And it won't start. Alright, we should be able to see fuel in there. I can see it. I don't know if you can though. I'm spraying some carb choke cleaner in. And all that has done is convinced me that it's the carburetor. Well, time to get it off the engine. The bolt here, it's come to the end of its little thing and I can't unscrew it by hand, so I have to get some sort of tool in there. You guys are just gonna have to watch from the tripod here because I can't really hold it like this and work on it at the same time. Alright, here's the carburetor rebuild kit. Unboxing time. Let's see. There we go. All new gaskets. Well, I don't really know what any of these parts do, but here's the carburetor. my. Yes, this. Okay, that's quite disgusting. That black is not supposed to be like that. It smells like old gas too. So this is definitely the problem. It's supposed to be clear. All these little screw things are adjusted.
This is actually untrue. All the adjustment screws are on the outside of the carburetor.
So I'm gonna have to be careful to count the number of turns. Let's try turning it all the way in. Okay, that one's screwed all the way in. This one I'm guessing is. Oh no. Alright, I bet if I tip this upside down, a bunch of pieces are gonna fall out. Surprisingly, nothing fell out. Little nozzle there. From what I can tell, it looks okay. Let's see if I have a new one.
I did not have a new piece.
Let's just put this back in because I don't think we need to remove that. It's really amazing that carburetors work at all. Looks like this is where the bulk of the replacement parts go. This is the float here. And then, yeah, let's just try to get this float off. Punch out this set screw here. Well, it's not a screw actually, it's just a peg. And it all comes apart. This is the little needle that regulates how much fuel. This is that big gasket. Alright, next step. Oh my, that is dirty.
Cleaned up the spot where the diaphragm goes with sandpaper.
The new diaphragm goes on like this, this little thing facing down. Don't think it matters, but just in case it does, that's the way it goes. And let's try to put it back on. Alright, we got some Chem Dip here. And I don't think this is gonna fit. Oh yeah. Okay. That's all we need to fit right there. Alright, we'll let this soak for a while. We'll get back to you soon. Alright, it's been about half an hour and now it's time to pull it out. There we go. Alright, it's the next day and I'm ready to start putting this thing back together.
But first, of course, we have to blow it out.
Yeah, so what I've done, I have two tools. I've got like you put I popped this diaphragm by blowing air in here. Where's the pop? Oh, there it is. Old diaphragm is not really good at all. Hey, editor here. I popped the diaphragm on the carburetor and that prevents it from getting fuel into the engine. So this is a very important part, and I couldn't put the old one back because that one was bad. So I had to order another carb rebuild kit from eBay because ordering a whole new kit was about the same price as ordering just the diaphragm. So I had to wait another week before working on this project again. Alright, I got a new carb rebuild kit. Wow. It's more stuff than the old one had. Right here. This one doesn't have a tag at all. Also, they both came with this. I do not know what this is for. Next step is to install these gaskets. For some reason there's two of them. We have a new one of these too. Another diaphragm. We reinstall the float and stuff.
Okay, hopefully that's the right way. Where would a piece like this go? If I was a piece like this, the only place I would fit is here. Ah, yes. Yeah, I'm glad I'm replacing this. There's a little hole right here. It goes on like that. Okay, now the accelerator cable's in place. Now the problem is, a little piece that attaches the accelerator cable to the part that it pulls is broken. I need to fashion a new piece. My dad has been suggesting to make a little crimper ball thing, and that would probably work. Alright, so we found a solution. Dad is here working on it, and it's not visible, unfortunately. Ooh, wait, I can just move the camera. Basically, there's frays here and a wire, and that little brass thing is what we're gonna put the wire through it. There's a little screw on the other side. We have to screw the screw in to make it tight, and it's being really difficult. Am I missing something, or is it just being difficult? I haven't started in a while. Alright, so as you can see, the bowl here is supposed to have gas in it, and it is empty. That means that I probably installed this float here wrong. Go. Oh, stop. So, we do have fuel pressure, but it's very nasty black fuel. Alright, go. Oh, stop. My jar has a leak. Oh my goodness. Why is there a hole in this jar? Alright, so I have it back here on the bench, and I'm gonna try to figure out why this flow chamber is not filling up with gas. So what? I'm just confused now. Stop. Okay, what is going on? I bent this here to match the other one, and when I put it in, it's bent. What is wrong? This issue is really hard. What is going on here? I have this, it keeps bending that little pin, and I don't know why it keeps bending. So this is how it goes. What is this hitting? Remember, it's hitting, it's preventing it from open. Well, I knew that was a simple solution. I had the float installed upside down this entire time. I feel stupid.
That sounded good.
I had the float installed upside down.
Ah, okay. You were right.
Yeah.
Oh man, major exhaust.
Yeah, it's running. Okay. Gonna do a little test drive in the backyard here. Ah, it's looking good. Sounding good. Little daggy bead. Okay. Well, it hasn't died yet. That's good.
Get the cardboard thing that's still on the top.
Yeah. Cardboard thing on top. Wow, okay. Nice. Nice.
Awesome.
Doing good. All right, well, here it is. It's the inaugural journey of the blue truck.
Driving better than it was before. Let's go the other way. That's about it.